Percy here with another Guud Lyfe Smoothies video for you. I am actually underneath the smoothie truck here. This is actually a look at the gray water tank here. It is actually installed. I actually have these rods attached to it that I do have to cut. I'm probably going to chop it right there. That way, if I ever have to drop the gray water tank, I always can. And this just pretty much, this is the padding that I use at the top and bottom of the gray water tank, just to protect it from rocks and debris, things that may hit the gray water tank. And I tried to use it here on the side. This is me trying to really show you that it didn't fit left and right sides. So I used another source of rubber vinyl, very protecting. It protects it on both the left and right sides of the gray water tank. And so very durable material. That's the side that I actually chose here on those left and right sides, and everything is clean. Everything, fits perfect. These are the other rods here, and the additional bracing back here. The articulation fits underneath the body of the truck perfect. Everything is flawless as it should. That's what we strive towards, is that perfection there. And also here the side of the truck here, under the employee sink. This is just, everything is glued in. It's just the piece back here, right there, just needs to be glued in. I pretty much roughed everything in, getting it ready here under the service sink. Again, everything is glued in up until that bottom part right here. And so I just have to connect everything with the straightaway piece, also the 90-degree elbow, the backflow preventer, and just form everything here with the union. Add a 90 on it, bring it around, tie everything in, and get everything in a working manner here. So that's the scope of work I have here for today. I may even have time to get to customizing the cabinet door here, and trying to fit that in here. That's going to be very difficult. I have some solutions of how I can do that, and then I can also move in on the ceiling moldings, which are here. They all have to get placed up. Everything's customized and it's cut, ready to go. It's just the fact that I just have to find the time to get those in all these locations here as I'm displaying here. This is pretty much the overall scope of work.